Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. So here's another week to Miss Vitali not being able to be at school. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you about the activities that you need to do today. So you should have already begun working on your Good Copy Ant activity. So your goal today is to finish that writing activity. All of your writing activities on Shobi in the September 21st folder are corrected. So you need to refer back to that folder so that you can write it correctly on the paper version. Once you have written it out, you can color the border, you can color the little ants, you cut out the head, you cut out the hands, you glue it on a blue piece of paper, you make a face, and then you call it a day and you say it's finished, okay? Once you are finished it, please place it back on the shelf near where your pink journals are, okay? And then you can move on to the next activities. So only once you are finished writing your ant activity do you have access to the activities in the October 6th folder. So it says here, when you have completed your Hey Little Ant, good copy, you may begin the work below. If you finish the work below, great, then you can move on to Raz Kids. So the first thing you need to do is you need to complete sections B.1 and B.2 in iExcel. Once you have finished that, then you can move on to the word work practice activities. They are here, so there are 3 worksheets: spelling rainbows, forwards and backwards, and cursive spelling. So write the words in cursive, so lettres attachées on this worksheet here. Go back one more. There we go. This is a fun one. So you write the words correctly in order. So let's say the word who, you would write it W-H-O, and then backwards would be O-H-W. Okay, and you would just have fun with those words. And finally, spelling rainbows, it just asks you to write the words underneath the arc. So the arc are these shapes that are there in rainbow colors, and you write the words that we're practicing together. Okay, so you have about an hour and 15 minutes to get this work done, but your priority, boys and girls, is to finish the Hey Little Ant activities. It's been going on way too long, so make sure that you really use your time efficiently today to get that done. If you already finished your Hey Little Ant, you're ahead of the game, boys and girls, and you can get started right away on Shobi. There's going to be some more activities to come in the next few days, so be ready for that, and please work as efficiently as possible. Enjoy, and I really can't wait to see you soon, okay? Bye-bye.